I'm going to share with you unboxing of canvas roll, as my canvas paper was literally finished for making canvases. So I told to my father that please can you buy me a canvas roll. So this I have buy online, and I love so much of painting, and you know that also I'm making videos how to make canvas, art supply haul, palette unboxing, colors and brushes unboxing. So that's why today we will be doing the unboxing of canvas roll. So let's begin. And thank you for that you have watched my all videos, and I hope that you will like this video also. Let's begin. See, this is artist canvas roll, 100% finished cotton. So let's open. That's too big. It's very soft, and we can be able to painting on this canvas roll. I just opened this. Wow, it's so smooth and very good quality. And this is Eascan art, painting, drawing and sketch accessories, cotton, prime painting canvas roll, 12-meter width, 12-meter inch and 5. It's 12-inch and 5-meter white canvas roll. And I have also telling me how to make a canvas video, that we should always put the glue to sticking on this darker side, and we would have to paint on this white side. And if you want to make a canvas at home, so do watch my video on my channel, Typical Girls Will. So how was today's video? I hope you will like that video and subscribe my channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.